Domestic animals. Children, come, let's learn the names of domestic animals. Let's begin. Cow. This is a cow. Sheep. This is a sheep. Dog. This is a dog. Cat. This is a cat. Camel. This is a camel. Rabbit. This is a rabbit. Monkey. This is a monkey. Pig. This is a pig. Rooster. This is a rooster. Hen. This is a hen. Duck. This is a duck. Horse. This is a horse. Goat. This is a goat. Elephant. This is an elephant. Tortoise. This is a tortoise. Ox. This is an ox. Buffalo. This is a buffalo. Honeybee. This is a honeybee. Yak. This is a yak. Donkey. This is a donkey.